Hello, good morning everybody. This is Maheshwara from BH Studies. Welcome back to BH Studies. Today we will discuss in 9th class exercise 2.4 problems. We will start exercise 2.4. Okay? See. Okay, all of you listen. Listen carefully. See, polynomials, chapter polynomials, exercise 2.4. Okay. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. That means x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial or not. At what time x plus 1 is a factor? X plus 1 is a factor. At what time means if the remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Remainder is not equal to 0, it is not a factor. So, first here linear polynomial is given x plus 1 by using factor theorem. First find the x plus 1, what is the 0 of x plus 1? Find out. After that polynomial, that x value substitute in that polynomial. If we get is equal to 0, then it is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. In this Roman, 4 problems are there. First Roman, I will explain out of these 4 problems. 2 problems I will explain, remaining 2 you try. See, first question how to do. First this polynomial I will take p of x is equal to, I will take x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now the polynomial here g of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay. X plus 1 is equal to, you can take 0. X plus 1 is equal to, you can take 0. Then x is equal to how much? Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Now x value substitute in this polynomial. Now p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now see, minus 1 whole power odd number, minus power odd number, minus only will come. So 1 power even number 1 only. So here is equal to how much here? Minus 1. Here minus 1 whole power even number means plus 1 will come, plus 1. Plus into minus, plus into minus. Plus into minus what? Minus 1. Here plus 1. Now see, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much you got? 0. What about the remainder? How much here? Remainder is 0. Therefore, here remainder is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of what is that polynomial? P of x you can write, otherwise p of x. That is a factor. Next question, see here. Third problem, same solution do like this. Same p of x is equal to, you can take x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Same g of x you can take that like that, g of x is equal to, you can take what? X plus 1. Then x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to minus 1. Substitute again here, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus of here minus 1 plus 1. See, minus 1 whole power even number means 1. Here minus 1 whole power odd number. What? Minus 1. Minus into plus minus. 1 are 3. Again, minus 1 whole power even number plus 1. 1 into 3 plus 3. Here, see, third problem this one. Okay, next minus 1 here, minus 3, next 3 here, next 2, my plus into minus, minus 1 here, plus 1. Okay, now see, plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel is equal to, what is the remainder here? Remainder 1. So is it factor or not? Remainder is not equal to 0, therefore it is not a factor. Here remainder is not equal to 0, therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of what is that? This polynomial p of x you can write. No problem. So that is the first question, and third question I explained. First and third question, remaining second and fourth you try. Okay, please make a note. Okay, next second Roman. Here also 3 problems are there. I will explain 2 problems. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. That means same model like that only. They are separating here p of x is equal to given and g of x given. Before directly given without not mentioned, that is. Okay. So whether it is a polynomial, whether it is a factor or not, is a factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor or not. You check, that is asked in each of the following cases. Okay. See, first problem, p of x is equal to same 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Find out 0 of x. 0 of x plus 1. G of x. That means otherwise write 0 of g of x. Find out. What is the meaning? The g of x means 0 means that g of x is equal to 0. That means x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 1. Same procedure. X value substitute here. P of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus of minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. Say here minus 1 whole cube minus 1 only. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1. Here plus 1 only. Minus into minus plus 2. Here minus 1. See here minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 cancel is equal to 0. Here remainder we got 0 means. Yes, is it factor or not? Yes, here remainder is 0. Therefore, g of x is a factor of p of x. If remainder is not equal to 0 means then it is not a factor. Same solution. Here third problem C. Same like that, p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Same 0 of g of x. 0 of g of x. What is that? 0 of g of x means x minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to what? 3. 0 of g of x. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 3 becomes plus 3. X value substitute in this polynomial. P of 3 is equal to 3 whole cube minus 4 into 3 whole square plus 3 plus 6. 3 cube how much? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 minus, see 3 square means 9, 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36 plus 3 plus 6. Now observe here, these 3 numbers are positive numbers. 27, 3 is 6. 27 plus 3, 36. 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to how much? 0. Here also remainder is 0. Therefore, yes, whether it is a factor or not, yes, yes, g of x is a factor of p of x. Here also right, yes, yes, it is a factor. Okay, like that. Please make a note. Okay, next third Roman C, next exercise 2.4. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. The value of k, find the value of k value we have to find, but here what is given condition is see, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. X minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor means what is the meaning of that? Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So it is a factor. So we should find what is that? Value of k. How to find? See, solution. Here, first question, see, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, now see here, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. That means here x minus 1 is equal to how much? 0. X is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1. So therefore, what happened here? P of x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial means, what is the remainder? P of, here what is that x value? 1. P of 1 is equal to 0. That means, that is, P of 1 is equal to what? 0. Now, this value p of 1 is equal to 0 means substitute here in the place of x. What is the p of 1 means? Here see, x place right. In the place of x, write 1. What is that? 1 whole square. Right here 1 whole square plus the place of x place write 1 plus k is equal to 0. 1 whole square means how much? 1. 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus k is equal to 0. What about k? K is equal to plus 2 becomes minus 2. That's all. What is the value of k? K is equal to minus 2. So that's all. See this problem again same. What is that? X minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. Here also write x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, what is 0 of x minus 1? 1. Here, therefore, p of 1 is equal to 0. Same procedure. Substitute here. P of 1 k into x plus 1 whole square minus root 2 into x means how much? 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, 1 square means 1 only. K into 1, k minus root 2 into 1. Root 2 into 1 how much? Root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here k is equal to this one. Minus root 2 becomes plus root 2. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. What is the value of k? This is only. Therefore, k is equal to root 2 minus 1. That's all. Please make a note. Okay, next problem say factorize. Your polynomial is given, 12x quadratic polynomial is given, find the factors. How to do? This is how to do here. Splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. First how to do means, first procedure. Product of the first square coefficient. Product of the first and last term multiply. Product of the first and last. 12 ones are how much? 12. Plus into plus only. Here plus. Here condition, be careful. If the product is positive, this product positive means sum of two factors is equal to, middle term. Middle term, what is that here? Minus 7. Here product is positive means Factor first find all the factors of 12. Their factor sum should be minus 7. But symbols here middle term is minus means both the terms are negative. If the middle term is positive, both the terms are negative. Okay. Suppose if the product is negative, product like this minus 12 came for example. Product is negative means difference of two factors is equal to middle term. Difference. Their difference. Product is negative means difference of the two factors is equal to middle term. Okay. Don't confuse. Product positive means sum. Difference means difference. If the product is negative means difference we should do. But here difference also, here suppose minus is there. Middle term is negative. Means factor suppose for example 4 3 is 12. For example I am telling. For example. In these two factors compulsory the two factor different. Difference means one is positive, one factor is negative. So which is positive, which is negative, how to decide? Means here condition. Here middle term, what is the symbol? Negative. Middle term is negative means in this bigger factor is negative, smaller factor positive. Like that we have to select. Okay. Now we will do this problem. Say 12x square minus 7x plus 1. First always do like this. Product of the first and the last term. 12 ones are 12. X square will come here. This is no problem. You forget it. After we can decide, no problem. Write all the factors of 12. First don't confuse. Slowly you can starting onwards. 1 12 are 12. These two factors, what I said here before, product positive means sum of two factors is equal to middle term. You have to select. Now do 1 plus 12. How much? 13. But here how much is there? 7. So this one no. Don't take that one. Again 2 table. 2 table is equal to 2 6. Now do addition 2 plus 6. 8. 8 is not equal to 7. So don't take this one. 3 table C. 3 table how much? 3 4s are 12. Yes. 3 plus 4 how much? 7. 7 came no? Yes. We can select this one. But symbols. Here middle term is negative means both the terms are negative. See now observe here. 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus plus 12 came. See addition to minus 3 minus 4 how much? Minus 7. That's the. Just simply here write 12x square. Write here minus 3x or 4x. Anything right? No problem. Minus 3x. Minus 4x. This 7x only we can split like that by splitting the middle term. This 7x only we are splitting like that. Understand? Plus 1. Now in these two terms, what is the common here? Both the numbers 12 and 3 are divisible by which number? 3 table is divisible. Take 3 common and x also is a common. So you can take 3x common. If I take 3x common, what left here? 12 3 table how many times? 4 times. X square divided by x how many times? X times. Minus. See, common means here division. Here 3x into common means nothing is there. But thinking some members they are keeping 0. No. Okay. Don't do like that. 3x by 3x how many times? 2 by 2 how much? 1 time. 3 by 3 1 time. Like that. 3x by 3x 1 times 1. No? You can write. In these two terms what is the common? In these two terms nothing is there common. Nothing is there common means then you can take here middle term what is that? Minus no? First you write here minus symbol. That is. Nothing is there common, nothing is there means you can take 1 common. If I take minus 1 common means here minus if take 2 common means plus will come. What? 4x. Here how much? Here minus 1 same again. This factor, this one and this one must be same. If the different answers different terms coming means that is wrong. Okay. Now out of these two you can write here 4x minus 1 into this one you can write like 3x minus 1. That's all. These are the factors. That's all. And this question see same like that. Product of the first and last term 3 4s are 12, which 12 plus into minus minus. Product is negative here. Product negative means what I said? Difference of two factors is equal to middle term. Middle term here nothing is there means coefficient 1. Difference is 1. Right? I think you can already solve only these factors. Already what is the factor difference? You can take like that 3 4s are 12. Difference how much? 4 minus 3, 1 only, no? Yes. But symbol is the most important here. Middle term, what is the symbol? Minus. In these two factors, which is the bigger factor? 4. So write the 4 minus. This is the plus. Bigger factor symbol should be minus. Bigger factor. Okay. Middle term here plus is there means bigger factor plus here minus. When if the product is negative, that is, don't forget, don't confuse. Now, you can take here how to write this one 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. In these two, what is the common? Here 3x is the common. If I take 3x common, what left here? X. Here 1 only. Here what is the common? In these two, minus 4 is the common. If I take minus 4 common, what left here? X. Minus will be common means plus will come. Here also minus 2 common, so plus will come. 4 by 4 how many times? 1 times. X plus 1, x plus 1. So x plus 1 into 3x minus 4. These are the factors. Please make a note. Okay, next problem see. Next Roman, characterize. In this Roman, 4 problems are there. Out of these 4 problems, I will explain only one problem. One problem you understand. If you understand one problem, you can do all problems. Easy, very easy. Okay, try to understand how to do this problem. Okay, step by step I will explain clearly. Please try to understand. Concentration, easily you can understand. First, what I will do here, see. This is the first factor. Find the first factor. How to find? See, generally, this is the cubic polynomial. Before Roman quadratic polynomial, third degree polynomial is called a cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial, here how many factors will come possible here? Maximum at most 3 factors. 3 factors will come. Quadratic polynomial 2 factors. Here 3 factors. The 3 factors, how to find? First, by using trial and error method, first you find one factor. How to find? Generally, this kind of problems, any cubic polynomial is given means, generally what are the factors means 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. These 4, generally it is factors will come. It is possible. More than here, these factors only maximum it is a factor. That means these are the zeros will come. Zeros of that polynomial. Not that much, more than that 3, 4 like that. Maybe they won't give here your class. Maximum these factors only they will give you. Just you try these numbers. Otherwise you try to 3, 4 again you can substitute. In these values, if you substitute in this equation, it is equal to 0, then it is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. Okay, you can try how to do. X cube minus 3x 2x square minus x plus 2. Solution here, see. Now, P of x is equal to, I am writing x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Trial and error method. Just to substitute, one substituting this polynomial is equal to 0 or not, you can see. Okay. Now, the place of x I am substituting here, see. Place of x is equal to 1 I am doing. Here 1 means 1 cube means 1 will come. Here 1. How much here? Minus 2. Here 1. Minus 1. Here minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3. Here plus 3. Yes, it is 0. Simple. 1 minus 1 at what time it is factor? Means simple logic here. See, sum of your coefficient here nothing is there means 1. Okay, coefficient nothing is there means 1. Here nothing is there means 1. Sum of all the coefficients. Sum of all the coefficient is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1. 1 is a 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor. When? If all the coefficients sum is equal to 0. Now do here 1 minus 2. How much? 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 0. Yes, it is a factor. You can do like that, simple. Otherwise, you can try how to do. Now I am taking here x is equal to 1. I am taking x is equal to 1. Now, if x is equal to 1, then P of 1 is equal to 1 into 1 whole cube minus 2 into 1 whole square minus 1 into 1 plus 2. Here 1 whole cube means 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 whole square, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 2. See here, minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, x is equal to 1 means P of 1 is equal to 0 came. That means here x is equal to 1 means what is that? It implies x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the factor? Here x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Yes, we got it one factor now. One factor we got it. Remaining how many factors we have to find again? 2 factors we should find. How to find that 2 factors? By using here, see, Horner's synthetic division method. By using like that, I will find that factor. Very, very easy. By using that method. By using Horner's synthetic division. By using Horner's synthetic division method. How to find C? We got one factor, remaining 2 factors we should find. How to find C? Write all the coefficients. X cube coefficient, what is that? Here 1. Write 1. Compulsory. Order C. Third degree, after that second degree, next first degree. Like that order compulsory, descending or highest power to least power. That is compulsory. See here 1. Next what is that? Minus 2. Next one minus 1. Here 2. You write all the coefficients. Next, do like this. What is the first one? X is equal to how much here? X is equal to 1 is a factor. So x is equal to 1 write down. First step, you keep 0 here. Okay? 1 plus 0, 1. Now multiply. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Again 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, how much? 0. Compulsory you should get 0 here remainder. This is the remainder. If you did not get 0, your sum is wrong. You can decide yourself. Okay? Now, this is the, if any third degree polynomial is divided by the linear polynomial, you will get what kind of polynomial you will get? Quadratic polynomial you will get. What is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. A is not equal to 0. A, B, C are the real numbers. So that is the here. What is quadratic polynomials? You can start here x square. Here x, this is the constant. That is the second degree polynomial. We got it. Now this one, right? X square minus 1x minus 2. Same again, splitting the middle term. Last Roman you told no? How to find? This is the product of first and last term. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Product is negative. So what are the difference of two factors? 1, 2 are 2. Their difference is equal to 1. So in these two terms, in this term, in this middle term, what is the negative? So bigger number is negative, this is a positive. How to write? X square plus 1x minus 2x minus 2. Okay, x square plus 1x minus 2x minus 2. What is the common here? If I take x common, what left here? X left. Here 1. Here minus 2 you can take common. So x plus 1. Now again here see x plus 1 and x minus 2. These are two factors. Before how many factors? This is the one factor. Total how many factors? Therefore, factors of P of x are, first one this is x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. X minus 2. That's all. Remaining questions you can solve yourself. You can do yourself. Okay? Please make a note. Please make note. We can make a note. And see. Okay, children. Okay, everybody. I think you understand. Suppose any problem, if you not understand, once again go back and again you watch it. Suppose if you have any problem, please comment it in the comment box. And also one more announcement here. If anyone you want to personally, if you want to learn, and if you need any tuition, online tuition is available. Any subject if you want, you can contact. Otherwise, you can contact me. My number is mobile number here. See 9396747119. If necessary 9396747119. That is my mobile number. If necessary, anyone online tuition, any subject, you can contact. Okay, otherwise you can follow this. Here who want online tuition. Suppose if you are very slow learner, you don't know anything, you don't know basics, fundamentals also, you don't worry. I will basic level 2, easy to difficulty level, small problems, any basics to full concept. I will teach you. If necessary, you can contact. Otherwise, you can follow either state board or CBSE board or anything from 6th class to 10th class. Anybody, anyone, any class students, you can contact personally. Okay? And also, if you like this video, please like it and share to your friends. But don't forget subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, then you will get our notifications. Otherwise, you will miss that notifications. Okay. So all of you subscribe. That is very important. That is very useful only for you. Okay. If you subscribe, you will get the benefit. Otherwise, you will be lost. Nothing for me, nothing will happen. Okay. If you subscribe, you will get the benefit. Suppose if you know, once you watch, once you listen. Suppose if anything not under here so many times you can watch it. All doubts also. How it will come, everything you can understand. If you know also once you listen, you will get some knowledge. Okay. So all my dear children, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Next we will meet. Okay. Thank you very much.